One hand in the air if you don't really care. Two hands in the air if you don't really care. It's like that sometimes, I mean ridiculous. It's like that sometimes, it's shit ridiculous. One hand in the air if you don't really care.
What up, it's Power 107.5, Cap City's finest. We're in the building. It's your man Big Yogi. We are in the building with my man GLC. What's up, baby?
Church on the move, brother.
All right. You know what it is, man. We are in the studio. We in the booth, man. Y'all know how it goes. Cap City Finest. This is a special Cap City's Finest, though, because we got Chicago's own GLC. He about to really show Capital City how you do it. Matter of fact, there's no beat, acapella. See if you can get with it, baby. Let's roll.
Church. My brother told me a long time ago, don't focus where you been, G, focus where you trying to go. Swear the game make you cold like a bomber, no snow, man, old man, when you trying to shine like gold. When it's my time to blow, partner, I'ma know. In the midst of getting dough, I was hit with highs and lows. My mellow tried to play me like my fucking eyes was closed. Now I'm sitting here wishing that my guys ain't know. They love a G, so they despise his soul. What they gonna do to him, beyond my control. When the Reaper calls, it's your time to go. Never play a nigga when you see that he is trying to grow. He be Benny Blanco when he knocked off Carlito in Pachanga, so I'm watching every angle. Under the moonlight with the devil I've tangled. Church on the move like Jesus in the manger. Better control of money is better control of anger. Now I watch a friend the way that I watch a stranger. Church.
Man, can you top that, baby? That's how we do it, man. Cap City's finest in the studio, in the booth. It's your man Big Yogi. Shout out to my man GLC.
Church.
You know what I'm saying? Cop the album.
Love, life, and loyalty, baby.
There it is. You know what I'm saying? Fly
Yes,
paper in the building. We about to go to this in-store. We're going to do it big. Shout out to C-Fave. Shout out to Kanata. Let's do it, Cap City's finest, baby.
And shout out to the beautiful ladies out here that want to come and break some of this pimping. Church. I am the light. Church.
That boy the light.
Run for your life.
Undefined.